So what we're doing here today is we're doing some windfall cleanup after a significant wind event here. This is on privately owned forest land, and there was some big trees that came down. So what we're doing is just essentially trail clearing, but it's pretty heavy going. We've taken the one section out here, and we have another section to go. Basically, we're just clearing trail and salvaging the wood. It was a pretty ferocious wind event. It just shattered this maple tree here, broke it off about 20 feet off the ground, and there's several more to do up the trail, but this is ecologically sensitive terrain, not really readily accessible by mechanized machinery. So we've called in the crew here, and they're doing a good job. So we're going to keep working here, and we're on the clock, so we're getting this done. Just an example of what horses can do. They're feeding on the brushes here. They're just enjoying a brunch.